Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ledger app. First, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Next, connect your Ledger hardware wallet using the provided USB cable. You will then follow the on-screen instructions to initialize your device and set up a strong 8-digit PIN. Crucially, write down your 24-word recovery phrase and store it securely offline. This is your only backup. Once your device is set up, open Ledger Live and go to the Accounts section to add new crypto accounts. You'll need to install the specific cryptocurrency applications onto your Ledger device from the Manager tab. For example, if you want to manage Bitcoin, install the Bitcoin app. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to add, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and confirm the action on your device. Now you can view your total portfolio balance and individual account details right in the dashboard. To receive funds, simply select an account, click Receive, and carefully verify the address displayed on your Ledger device. This step is critical for security. Then, share this verified receiving address with the sender. For sending funds, select an account, click Send, and input the recipient's address and the amount you wish to transfer. Always confirm all transaction details, including the address and amount, on your Ledger device before broadcasting the transaction to the network. Maintaining strong security is paramount. Always keep your Ledger Live application and device firmware updated to the latest versions to benefit from the newest protections. Crucially, never share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone. It grants full access to your funds. Use a strong, unique PIN for your Ledger device, ideally 8 digits, and always protect it from prying eyes. Finally, regularly review your transaction history within Ledger Live for any unauthorized or suspicious activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.